Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a stable internet connection but you cannot browse Google Play Store or use any browser like Google Chrome on a Black Shark 5 Pro. So in order to fix this, first let's see the Google Chrome, and now let's reload the page and we get this kind of an error. Now let's go for Google Play Store and see what's the problem here. Also we have this error. Now we'll be fixing it by moving to the settings. Scroll all the way down and find additional settings. Here go for date and time and set time automatically. Now if we go back to Google Play Store, we can get the app again. And the same as with Google Chrome, we can reload the page. And it also works. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.